Hi guys, welcome to Chao. Today I will show you how to make a strawberry flavored tea. This time we are going to use 16-ounce cup. We're going to make two types. One is ice and the other is frappe. The formula is different when you use a syrup and a powder. For this demo, I will show you how to make strawberry flavored tea using syrup. So there is your strawberry flavored milk tea. Now let's make our frappe version of the strawberry milk tea. So you must blend it at least 45 seconds or until it's smooth. So here I can see it's very smooth. So pour it into my cup. You should make it not too liquidy or not too icy. So if you have a whipped cream, put a little bit of whipped cream. And then you can put some strawberry powder topping. There you go. Then you can put it. And then you have your strawberry milk tea frappe. Now let's try this one. Ice. Some of you prefer simply ice, others prefer frappe. So personally I prefer ice, but let's see how it tastes. Tastes very good. I can taste the tea, I can taste the strawberry. And also the milk is not overpowering. So just the perfect blend of the strawberry, the milk, and the tea. What you have to do is to try using this formula because each syrup, each flavor is different. So you might have to make some adjustments with your own formula. Now let's try this beautiful strawberry milk tea frappe. You can see because we use the frappe base, the blend is very smooth. You don't see any separation between the ice, the milk, and the tea. So it's quite smooth. Let me try. It's so good. This time I think this one is better than the ice one. This is perfect. So there you have it. Two types of strawberry milk tea. One is ice and the other is frappe. You can use this formula in your milk tea or coffee shop, or you can just do this at home for when you make it for guests or your family. Stay tuned for more of these videos. In the meantime, thank you for watching and ciao for now.